Go ahead.
Look here, man.
Hey. G, okay. Got that.
Pull it, denominator. Pull it. Pull it.
Got that Johnson in that Molly.
Get it.
I be geeking. Got that snorting and I'm popping. I be geeking. Got that feeling in my body. I be geeking.
Versus 9-year-old. Pull it.
Got that Johnson in that Molly. I be geeking. Got that snorting and I'm popping. I be geeking. Got that feeling in my body.
Yeah, she stronger than what you think, boy. Luka ain't no joke. Luka's strong for his age. I know she's strong. Pull it. Get it. Get it.
Goddamn Molly. Start that fucking pot. Shit be so hard, you can feel it less than an hour.
Wiggle it hard, Luke. Try to make it come out her mouth. Wiggle it hard. Twist it back and forth hard. You ain't gonna hurt her. Hey. That's what she want.
Make sure that my pocket straight with all the same. Nigga think I'm playing, wanna see my nose. Wanna see my bottle, wanna see it go. I be geeking.
She crafty,
Nigga don't know
man.
nothing about it. Geeking. Dance all in my body.
Like you tired over there, Luke.
Johnson know that Molly. Y'all niggas ain't on the party.
Alright, my turn. My turn. Bring it over here. Denominator, let it go. Luke, get it from me. Tear it up. Let it go. Let it go, baby. Good girl.
You don't know nothing about it. I be geeking. Got that Johnson in that Molly. I be geeking. Got that floating and I'm popping. I be geeking. Got that feeling in my body. I be geeking. Got that. You don't know nothing about it. Got that. 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 I be geeking. Got that. Got that. Got that. Got it. Got it. I be geeking. I'm working hard and I'm fucking broad and I'm trying to shoot that soul. Niggas talk shit, y'all in my face, but I'm trying to get that blow. If it's bread right, we can get shot, but at that nigga gotta go. Cause I'm trying to get that pack mixed up to get my personal. Pussy nigga had them kind of bitch, so I called and let him know. Wasting all my goddamn time. You know I'm on that blow. My damn adrenaline is on rush, nigga. You sitting there on slow. Call me no more, unless your bread is good, ain't for sure. I be geeking, Johnson and that Molly. I be geeking, snorting and I'm popping. I be geeking, feeling in my body. I be geeking, you don't know nothing about it. I be geeking, Johnson and that Molly. I be geeking, snorting and I'm popping. I be geeking, feeling in my body. I be geeking, you don't know nothing about it. Sorry. Look at that. You sorry. You don't want this. Wait. Sit. Sit. Wait.
I'll have you on video. You.
Wait. Go get it. Come on. Go get it. Yeah. Go get it. Yeah. You want some of that jazz? I know you're going to get it now. Go get it, man. Go get it, jazz. Go get it. Way to go. Greedy said, look for food first. What you gonna play?
What's up, little? Hey, don't try to attack me. They're gone.
Good night. Good night. They're going back in.
Hey, can you do this?
Hang on, let me close the gate. Get it. What's up, baby? Go get it. Get some of that. Get some of that. Go get some. Go get some. Oh, you definitely ain't pulling it now. Them two got it. Get it. Yeah. Look at this sorry one. Jasmine, you sorry. Get it. Get it. Look how denominator pull. She get low, boy. She put all her body in it. She ain't the biggest, but she damn so strong. Jasmine, why you so sorry, baby? Come on. Why you so sorry, huh? What's up? You just gonna come over and get hugs. She fine? Jasmine. What you want to record? Go get it, Jasmine. Crazy stuff. Trying to zoom in. Get it. Oh yeah, it's over now. It's over now. They got him. They got him. They got him. Pull it, denominator. She'll pull everybody. That dog's so strong. Pull it, denominator. Watch it. Look at him. Pulling it. Gotta zoom out a little bit. Get him. Look, she ain't sorry now. Jasmine all up in there. Ain't that right, Jasmine? Oh yeah, buddy. They gonna give you a run for your money. And you better put your feet down. Good job, girls. Good job. Get it. Get it. Ah. Nah.
You. Yeah, you.
Good girls. Tell them good girls, Luke. They did their job. Good girls. Then we do this. Get it. Pull the denominator. Pull it. Pull it. Get low. Get low. Good girl. Get low. Get low.
Hey, I get so close to my hands.
Good girls. All right. They wired up now. Luke, you pretty strong, man.
What?
You pretty strong.
Pretty strong. Yes. That is true.
You pulling all three. You pretty strong. Get her.
Don't you dare, little.
Who's wimping?
Jasmine.
Yeah. Jasmine, you suck. Get it. Get it, baby. Jasmine. Jasmine, you know I'm talking to you. What's up? They're a little like, try that with me. What's up, baby? What's up, baby? Oh, no. Puppy attack. Get her. Get her, little. Look at Jasmine trying to get up in there. She trying to show y'all something.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Try to bite my head, you. Yeah, you.
That shit funny. Get him. That dog be on it. Go get it, denominator. Get it, little. Big ass floppy ass. Jasmine, you just sorry. You ain't gonna run for nothing. Jasmine, you know I'm talking to you. Don't side eye me. Who this is? I knew it was you. What's up, baby? Go get it. Go get it. Hey, man, you almost hit me with that rock.
Sorry.
Yeah, right. Y'all done? You got a rock in your mouth. You think you somebody now. She brought it back to you, Luke. Yeah. Look at Jasmine. Looking all sorry. Go get it. Go get it.
Girl, put it down.
Ain't talking about pit bulls, ain't good pet for your kids, please. If they full-blooded and you treat them right, yeah, they are.
Hey, Daddy, got some skills right through the hole.
Oh, yeah?
It touched the chain right through the hole.
Denominator. What's up, baby?